Monte Cassino is famous for its magnificent Benedictine Order Abbey located in southern Italy about 87 miles southeast of Rome. It is also renowned for being the site of a major battle during World War II between the Allied forces and the defending Germans. By May 17, 1944, the Polish Corps broke through the German defenses. On May 18th, the Polish troops captured the abbey at the top of Monte Cassino. I visited this monastery in the summer of 2019 while driving from Rome to Naples. Although it is a little bit off the beaten path, I highly recommend taking a little detour. On the way to the monastery, about halfway up the mountain, you'll come across an old fortress. I recommend you stop by and spend a little time there too. Although the fortress is not always open to visitors, I found it open on a Sunday. The admission to both the monastery and the fortress is free.